was like so emotional this morning because I have finally found my soulmate. Christina, I love you so much. You mean so much to me. So, I'm here to dedicate this song to you. Dope boy, dope boy, fresh, fresh, refresh, fresh, fresh, refresh, fresh, 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 dope boy, fresh, dope, fresh, fresh, refresh, fresh, 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 dope, fresh boy, dope, fresh, dope, fresh. Yeah. So Christina, if you get this message, message me back.